Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Instagram post. Now without any further ado, let's proceed. Now first of all, from your device open the Instagram app and make sure they are logged in your Instagram account. Now tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. That will land you on your profile page. Now in order to view your recently deleted Instagram post, tap on the three line icon from the upper right corner and then again tap on your activity from the dialog box. And once you're on this interface at the bottom, you will see recently deleted. Once you tap on there, and in here you will be able to see all your recently deleted Instagram posts or Instagram reels. But you have to make sure of one thing: you will be able to only find those deleted posts here which haven't exceeded the number of days that is given here. Once it exceeds the number of days, you won't be able to restore them. So with that on your mind, tap on that post and again tap on the three dot icon from the upper right corner, and a dialog box will pop up at the bottom of your screen. Again tap on restore and then again tap on restore. Head back to your profile page and refresh your profile page, and in here you will be able to see the post that you have restored recently. So this is how you can simply recover your Instagram deleted post. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next tutorial.